when considering a company car lease in the UK. Your first step should be understanding the basics. Uh, Leasing is like a long-term rental, offering vehicles for a fixed period in exchange for monthly payments. For many businesses, it's a financial game changer. Um, the appeal of business hard leasing um, lies in its affordability and flexibility. Instead of shelling out a lump sum to buy a vehicle, leasing allows you to preserve capital and maintain cash flow. For startups, this could mean the difference between stagnation and growth. Now, let's talk cost effectiveness. Leasing often covers things like maintenance and sometimes even insurance. Compare this to owning a vehicle where you're hit with unexpected repair costs. A reliable financial forecast, sign me up. A common pain point in business car leasing is navigating the leasing terms. Hidden fees and mileage limits can be a downside. Ensure you grasp all conditions upfront to avoid surprises later. Awareness negates headaches. An overlooked advantage, tax benefits. In the UK, company cars can offer significant savings. One pro tip, check into VAT reclaim opportunities, especially if your business is VAT registered. It's more money back in your pocket. You're probably wondering about vehicle selection. Leasing opens doors to a wide array of models, often the latest in the market. Imagine operating with a fleet of efficient, cutting-edge vehicles. It boosts your brand's image automatically. Maintenance worries, they vanish with leasing. Many contracts include maintenance packages, ensuring your vehicles remain in top condition. But no more downtime due to vehicle issues, which could otherwise stall your operations and cost you money. This is the depreciation. The second you buy a car, its value drops. With leasing, depreciation is not your burden. This makes it easier to plan budgets without the uncertainty of fluctuating asset value. Goodbye, resell headaches. Choosing the right leasing provider is vital. Reputation matters. Look for transparent contracts and stellar customer service. Providers should act as partners, aiding your company's mobility without adding stress. A collaborative relationship is gold. But what if you need to exit early?
They check for any early termination clauses.
Some agreements can penalize you heavily. It's another reason behind understanding your contract fully. Knowledge turns the lease into a strategic asset. Worried about carbon footprint? Many leasing companies offer eco-friendly options. Electric and hybrid vehicles are in vogue and sometimes come with government incentives. It aligns your business with sustainability values. An attractive trait for modern consumers. Lastly, always crunch the numbers. Lease agreements should align with your business goals and budgets. Use comparison tools and calculators to assess different offers. An informed decision maximizes value while minimizing risk. Every penny counts.